Hey guys, techmadeezy. Thanks for clicking on our link today. Hey, in this video, I'm going to actually show you how to add your WYZE account to your Amazon. You'll be able to control it from your Amazon shows or even an old Amazon. I've tried it and it works. You'll be able to control by voice your cameras and your locks. All right, so I'm going to go over that and show you how to do it, which is cool. I just got the WYZE Door lock, and I'm lazy sometimes, so I just want to control it by voice. By the way, I did do a detailed installation video on the WYZE Door lock. I also did a separate video review with showing some of the features of the WYZE Door lock. So I hope you check that out. I'll put those in the description. But this video is about how to add your WYZE account to your Amazon so you can control it by voice and you can control it by app. So let's get started. All right, here is how you download a new skill. We're looking for the WYZE skill so we can add it to. So what you do is on the, you go over to More. You go over to Skills and Games. All right. And what you want to do is you want to search for the WYZE skill. So we're going to hit the search button. We're going to type in WYZE and hit search. You're going to see one skill. We're going to add that skill. We're going to enable the skill. You have to sign in to your WYZE account to give it access to your WYZE account. Once you sign in, you're going to hit accept. Then you're going to get a message saying your WYZE account has been linked and it is successful. Okay, now that you've added the WYZE app to what you want to do now is you have to go under devices. Okay, so click devices, scroll across the top till you see locks. Click on locks. Now you see the front door. Click on front door. In order to unlock by voice, you have to go in and change a setting. So you want to hit this little arrow, the gear there. Okay, now that we're in the app, I want you to notice it says unlock by app and unlock by voice. All right, so what you want to do is you want to turn these on. As you can see, here's an option that's coming up, unlock by app. Now, if it doesn't turn on for you, it's probably going to have a pop-up that comes up asking you to sign in with your Amazon account. Just be ready to do that. Now I'm going to do unlock by voice. I'm going to hit OK. It's going to ask me to create a voice code. Okay, I created a voice code. As you can see, these two are enabled, unlock by app, unlock by voice. I've now given the skill to now unlock my front door. Unlock the front door.
What's your voice code for front door? Hang on. The front door is unlocked.
As you can see, it unlocked, but it required a door code. Lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on. front door is locked.
And there you go. You can lock and unlock by voice. Well, you noticed during setup, there were two options for unlock. It was one by voice and one by app. If you're going to do the app, if you want to unlock your door, you just need to scroll down to locks, click on front door, and now tap that. Well, guys, I hope this was helpful. I'm definitely enjoying the WYZE lock. And I'm also liking that I have the keypad now because I can actually give access to some friends and family, especially people that come in and let Brooklyn out, my yellow lab. I'll go ahead and put a link to my reviews in the description for the installation of the WYZE lock and the keypad. And I'll also put a link up in the upper right hand corner on my review on the WYZE lock and the keypad if you want to check out just the review. All right, guys, thank you so much. Hey guys, take a moment and give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. As you can see, Brooklyn, she's waving her tail for you. Take a moment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell and you'll get notified of new videos we come out with. Also, follow us and contact us on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. We'd love to have you. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.